Few moments later.
Okay. Yay! That's for my husband. Get the high chew. Yeah, my husband again favorite favorite coating. I got some noodle. Get that, guys. And I got another one of the crispy fry. And I got the MX3 coffee. I'm looking for that. And I will insert the prices on the screen. And I got more coffee. Because we love coffee. And another coffee. It's a Nescafe mild mix. And this is gonna be a funny part. Pork cubes. Got some pork cubes. And I got that one, danggit. My husband's favorite. Dried fish. And what is that? I forgot what I ordered. Oh, it's the lime or lemon calamansi juice. Lemon. I've been looking for that, and I also got this. The reason why I got a lot, because they have a free shipping if you reach a certain amount of money. I will insert that also. And that one. So I got that because we always use that one for our barbecue. And here is the total. That's what I got, guys. Thanks for watching.